Hi everyone, now I am going to show you how to install the latest version of PHP on Windows operating system. Whether it's version 10 or version 11, it doesn't matter. And then I will show you how to work with PHP projects. If you watch to the end, you will learn a lot of new things. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. And so, in order to install PHP, open your browser and in the search bar, write download PHP. We need a site php.net. Search for it in the search results and open the link. Great, we have the official PHP site open. At the time I'm recording this video, the new version of PHP 8. 4.1 is out. If you need a newer version or an older version, don't worry, the installation process for each version is identical. So scroll down the page a bit. Look for the version of PHP you need. I will use the latest version and click on the link called Windows Downloads. A new window will open up. Find the item with x64 thread safe and click on the link labeled zip. And you will start downloading the file. Once our file is downloaded, we can close the browser and go to the folder where our file was downloaded. Since the file is in a zip archive, we need to extract it. To do this, right-click on the archive and select Extract All or Extract To. That's all the files that were inside the PHP archive. Now we need to rename this folder. To do this, right-click and select Rename. Or you can select the folder with a single left click and press the F2 key. Delete this part and leave only PHP in the version name. Now select the folder and cut it out. You can do this by right-clicking on the folder and select Cut or use the hotkey combination Ctrl+X. Next, we need to go to the system disk. Most likely you have a disk named C and paste the folder here. Ctrl+V or right-click on the empty space and select Paste. And so now we need to open this folder and copy its path. To do this, left-click here, select everything and copy the contents of the line. Then we go to the search and write environment. We need to select Edit the system environment variables from the search. After the window opens, click on the button with the name Environment Variables. Next, look for the line with the name path, select it and click on the Edit button. The window with Edit Environment Variables will open. Just click on the new button, right-click here, and select Paste. Great, we have successfully pasted the path to our version of PHP. Now we need to save all the changes, so be sure to click on OK in all the boxes. And now if you open a search box, type in CMD and you'll open the command prompt. Type PHP -- version here and hit enter. You will see the version of PHP installed. Also, displaying the version is an indication that you have installed everything correctly and everything is working. So, let's say you want to work on a PHP project. Let me create a folder on the desktop and call it PHP Projects. Then inside the folder, I will create a text document. For example, I will name it Test PHP. And of course, we need to change the file extension. Now I have written .txt and we need .php. If you do not write the file extension, you need to go to the View tab and activate the checkbox next to File Name Extensions. On Windows 11, you also go to View, then Show, and check the box next to File Name Extensions. Once you do this, you will see the extensions of all the files. Now let's open our file in Notepad and write some simple code for the example. I'm just going to output the phrase Hello World to the console. Now we need to save the changes to the file. Next, go to the address bar and type CMD to open a command prompt. Write PHP space the name of your file. In my case, it is test.php.php and press enter. You will see that our code written in PHP has been executed. Now you know how to install and use PHP on your computer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if this video was useful for you. Also, if you encountered any difficulties, ask your questions in the comments.